From the Court of Justice, the High Court has issued conservatory orders barring the Director of Public Prosecution from preferring any charges or criminally prosecuting businessman Jimi Wanjigi in respect to any firearms or accessories registered or owned by him. The directions came immediately after a Chief Magistrate Court had postponed his plea taking after being informed by Wanjigi's legal team that their client's rights and the Constitution had been violated. And as Ruth Wamboi reports, the businessman, camp politician, and his personal assistant, David Kibe, have been freed on a personal bond of 10 million shillings each.
After spending Monday night at Kamukunji police station, businessman come politician Jimi Wanjigi and his personal assistant David Kibe appeared before Chief Magistrate Susan Shitobi on Tuesday with the ODPP fronting charges of illegal firearm possession.
To that extent, Your Honor, the charges before you are properly before you, before we get to their propriety, the substance of the charges.
However, through their legal team led by senior counsels Paul Mwite, Kalonzo Musyoka, Martha Karua, as well as lawyers Willie Zoteno, Wanjigi and Kibe applied to have their plea taking deferred, claiming there was a High Court order issued by Justice Bahati Mwamuye that has been disregarded by the DPP and the DCI.
There were orders issued by the High Court for the return of the guns confiscated from Jimi Wanjigi.
It's not proper to take a plea on this matter. And then you go down in the history books of this country as a defender of human rights.
And once there are stop orders, you cannot arrest for purported lack of license when the withdrawal of the licenses is on hold.
A stay is provided for in the criminal process. It's something we are clothed with the requisite jurisdiction and power to grant when there are compelling reasons, like what you have today, Your Honor.
But in a rejoinder, the DPP, through prosecuting counsel Juma Owiti, objected to the deferment, saying the matter at the High Court is civil in nature, whereas the issue before the lower court is criminal in nature, therefore they can run concurrently.
But luckily, Your Honor, as Chief Justice Emeritus Willie Mutunga said, there is no violation of the Constitution that has no remedy. A remedy lies, and it does not mean that if this court, in exercise of jurisdiction, limits its entertaining of the issues.
Chief Magistrate Susan Shitobi ordered Wanjigi and Kibe to surrender their passports to the court awaiting the September ruling.
Bring the passports. Bring the passports.
The development came after Judge Bahati Mwamuye stopped Wanjigi's prosecution pending the hearing and determination of the application dated 19th August 2024 of contempt of court. The judge ordered the matter be mentioned on 19 September to confirm compliance and for issuance of further orders. After a 7-hour heated argument between the defense and the prosecution on whether to charge Wanjigi or not, the court has retired to write a ruling that will be delivered on September 12th. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Milimani Law Courts.